Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're happy to have you. Mr. Lister is here to help you buy or sell your home affordably without a traditional agent. To learn more, subscribe and check out our website. We are also on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. Congratulations on deciding to take control of your sale by listing your house with Mr. Lister. Have no fear. We understand that you are entering new territory, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. In this video, we are going to walk you through developing your game plan and registering on our website. Ready? Let's get started. Before you start the listing process, you are going to want to check out our website, Mr.ListerRealty.com, and spend some time developing your game plan. Feel free to scroll around and check out all the features, and we will guide you through them and other training videos. Today we are going to focus on selecting your listing package and getting registered. On the top bar, select the drop-down menu labeled Plans and select the Compare Listing Plans tab. We offer 3 options when listing your property. Let's review each so you can choose the one that will best fit your needs. The most basic package we offer is the Quick List. This is the option that our investors and seasoned sellers often choose. This package is the least expensive because your savings come from handling the bulk of the transaction yourself. With the Quick List, your listing will appear in the MLS and all the other real estate websites that pull their data from it. We will have your listing up on the MLS within 24 hours of receiving all your information, and your listing agreement will be good for 1 full year. You will be able to upload 20 pictures of the property into your account. If you need more resources, we have plenty of services that can be added on, which we will discuss later in this video. Our mid-level option is the Seller's Choice package. This package includes everything from the Quick List package, with an extra 10 photos, a blank contract of lease or sale available to you, a for sale sign that will be professionally installed and picked up at your property, 2 free open house announcements, and a review of your settlement sheets with our broker if needed, a calculation of your closing costs upon request, and limited free agent support. Again, we have several add-on features available to meet all your needs. A lot of our clients choose the Seller's Choice with add-ons to create their own individualized listing package to make sure they are covering their needs while still keeping their costs well below what they would give to a traditional agent. Our third and most comprehensive listing option is the discounted full service package with virtual agent support. This option includes everything from the Quick List and Seller's Choice options, as well as professional photos, agent assistance in negotiating offers, unlimited free open house announcements, unlimited free agent support, free use of our showing time scheduling service, and our broker will coordinate inspections, appraisal, and settlement, as well as help you to determine your list price. In essence, this package provides all the benefits of a traditional agent at a fraction of the cost. Now that you decided what package you're going to use, let's take a look at the available add-on services. You can find the options by simply clicking Add-ons on the top bar or by using the drop-down menu under Plans. We developed our add-on options in response to feedback from our clients regarding what they needed in order to make the process as easy as possible while still keeping costs down. If there's something that you need and don't see it on the menu, don't worry. Just give us a call and we will figure it out. Let's take a look at the options. The 2 most important services that we highly recommend are showing time service and the professional photo shoot. While you will be the point of contact for your listing, agents have been conditioned to look for the showing time link on a listing in order to schedule a showing. They like the ease of being able to click on the link and either schedule immediately or request a showing. When we ask for your showing instructions, you will determine the showing parameters that are most convenient for you. This is also a simple way for you to keep track of who is showing your house and when, as well as automatically request feedback after the showing. The second and equally important service that we highly recommend is to have professional photos taken. Even though the cameras have gotten pretty high-tech on our phones, real estate photography has a very specific look, and our team of highly trained photographers know just how to highlight your home's best features. We are certainly okay with you taking your own photos, but we find that houses sell faster when the pictures are done professionally. Did you do more work or staging after your listing went live? You can add replace photos to freshen up your listing. Want to host an open house? Use this option to tell us when it will be so we can broadcast it out on the MLS. Remember, you get 2 of these free with the seller's choice and unlimited with the full service. For sale signs are available for our folks who go with the quick list package but still like to have a sign to advertise their house. We do have lock boxes available if you would like to order one. If you happen to get a buyer or a renter who isn't represented by an agent, we can prepare the contract or rental agreement. If at any time you need advice, our private consult is available. Whether it's reviewing offers or negotiating repair requests, Mr. Lister is available to give you professional guidance. We can also provide you with an estimation of what your closing costs will be, review the final settlement sheet with you before you go to closing, create a CMA for you, which will help you determine your list price based on what has recently sold in your area, and provide you with additional consultations whenever you need them. Now that you have evaluated your options and decided on which package will work best for you with any add-ons you may need, it's time to register. Don't worry, you can order add-ons in your account at any time, and you can even upgrade your package if you find you need more support. Again, starting on the home page, click the Register button at the top right corner. This will pull up a quick form which asks for some basic information. Choose a username for yourself, then fill in your name, email, phone number, and how you heard about us. Then just create a password and fill in your mailing address and hit Register at the bottom. And you're done. Please make note of your username and password, as this will be how you access your account. Whew! The hard part is done. You have your options picked out and you are registered and ready to go. The next step will be entering the information and paying for your listing so we can create it. We will walk you through it step by step in our next training video. Thanks for watching and learning more about our website. Don't forget to subscribe and check it out in the description. You can also find us on TikTok and Instagram at Mr. Lister Realty. See you next time.